Is it cleaned? Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly vlog number 4 already. Like, this is crazy. It's already weekly vlog number 4 of 2019 and it is Saturday and it is the 19th of January, and what a day we have planned. I'm gonna go and get my nails done, and then I'm gonna go and film a video, and then I'm going to go to bowling because we have an event with my colleagues and it's going to be so much fun. And then we have a family dinner, and then we're gonna go out with our friends. So it's going to be a jam-packed Saturday, and I'm going to be taking you along with me and my lovely day. In Malta it is a sunny day, so that is very good. So yeah, I hope you like this vlog. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then simply press the notification bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments. I really appreciate it. I love reading them, and yeah, thank you so much, because without you all, Kezia'S Corner won't be the same and I won't have the courage to keep posting. So thank you so much to you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna get my nails done. I don't know what color I'm gonna get. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so I finished getting my nails done and I did them like this. So I did these and then I did like a glitter in the ring finger, and I just love them. I'm just so happy that I'm doing my nails again. It's just something I'm doing for me. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go film my video. Yeah, and then go bowling, which I'm a bit worried about because I just did my nails, but that's fine. It's fine. And then we have dinner, and then we're gonna go drink. So yeah, it's a very nice jam-packed day. So I'm not gonna like take a whole minute like explaining this. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore you. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you later. Bye. Hi everyone. Okay, so look, there's Nemo by my legs. So I was just editing the vlog, the weekly vlog number 3. And I'm about to head out to go to bowling. I'm very excited. I'm with my nails and I'm so happy. The day has been a very productive day. I filmed a video as well. I filmed the Holy Grails video, which you guys want to see on Wednesday. So yeah. So now I'm going to go bowling. I don't know how I'm going to be able to leave this one though. Like, how do you leave her? Like, she's so cute. Like, how do you leave her? I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, I'm about to head out. The weather is amazing in Malta. Like, today is very nice and sunny. It's cold still. I'm just wearing my this jacket, which I forgot from where. I think it's from Jennifer. And then this is the Zaffle top, and then my new look jeans. And I'm going to just basically probably take my boots that I have. Oh, look, Nemo fell because I moved. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. And I probably won't vlog at bowling simply because I'm going to be with like my work friends, and you know, I'm very shy. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi everyone. Welcome to our garage. So basically I'm about to head off for dinner. I just changed really quickly. I'm wearing my Bershka top, and then this is my Primark skirt, my H&M skirt, and then my new look boots. So that's what I'm wearing. These earrings are from eBay, and the color I have on is Golden Rose shade 19 in the Long Stay matte liquid lipstick. So yeah, I'm off, and then after our meal we're going to go out for drinks. So yeah. Say hello. Hello. Taking my ribs again.
It also made us stronger than before. But now...
Hi everyone. So I haven't talked to you guys since yesterday. So yesterday basically we went for like dinner. I think that was the last time you saw me, and we went to Hard Rock and I got like a rack of ribs, and then I forgot to film the dessert, but we got a really good like Oreo cheesecake. It was amazing. And then we went out for a drink, but the thing is the weather was like, oh my goodness, there was like a thunderstorm, there was like hail, lots of rain. So we were like making sure that we were obviously somewhere where there was like a roof on top of us so that we could just, you know, I'm like, the word is coming to me in Maltese but not in English, and we're basically getting shelter, that's the word. So I couldn't really vlog much, so yeah, but we just had a nice night over there. And then today I just stayed playing The Sims and I watched A Million Little Things. I also prepared my vlog. that's prepared for today, which is weekly vlog number 3, because this one is weekly vlog number 4. Oh my goodness, like already. So now we're just gonna go out, me and Luke, and we're just gonna go out a bit, and then I come back and I basically prepare the vlog and maybe continue watching some more shows and stuff like that. So yeah, and maybe then later we'll play watching the X Factor Malta again, because I think the final is soon on. No, I think it's a while until there's the final, but whatever. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I hope you all have a lovely Sunday. I am wearing this like polo shirt from Zaful, this denim jacket from Primark, jeans from Primark, and then I think I'm going to just wear my new look black boots, which I wore yesterday as well. And I'm just having this bag, which I don't know exactly from where it is. I think my nan got it for me. I think it's from Matalan. I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm going to go now, and yeah, just wanted to say hi. Bye. Hi everyone, good morning. Let me focus. Okay, this is my outfit for Monday. I have my beanie hat from Primark, my scarf from Primark, my jean jacket from Primark, my sweater from Zaful, jeans are from Primark, and then I'm just going to wear my black new look shoes, new look boots. So yeah, I'm off to work. I hope you all have a lovely Monday morning, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. I love this song. I am so happy that Miley released like a new track. I know that has been released for a long time, so whatever, but I just love it. Anyways, today is Monday and it is the 21st of January. It's already 21st of January, which is crazy. I went to work and I'm back. Today I was like supposed to go to Palma, but I really don't feel like, I have no energy. But maybe tomorrow I will go after work, and then in the night I think I have like a little birthday party of my mum's friend. Her daughter has her birthday, so that will be nice. But that's after work. So yeah, I'm exhausted. I am so tired. Yesterday we stayed watching X Factor and it was really good. And now on Saturday it's going to be like the final, so that we'll know who the winner is. So I can't wait to see who the winner is. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go and watch some shows, honestly, because I am exhausted. And I'm gonna go make some toast, because I only took with me like banana, oranges, a cereal bar, and a Monty yogurt. I had another yogurt, but I didn't take it. So yeah, I'm really bad. But when I work in the morning, I have to start doing lunch in the evening, because the day before, because in Cala I won't eat. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, probably. Not today. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, bye. Everyone. It is 5:20 and I'm wearing my Primark jumper, like with my pajama underneath. And then this this like shoulder jacket. I don't know where it's from, but I think it says xoxo, so it's probably from England somewhere. And then like black Primark jeans, my work bag, and I'm also gonna wear my black boots, which are there. So yeah, have a good day. I might get these for work. Hi guys, today is Tuesday and it is the 22nd of January and I am extremely exhausted. Well, we went to Palma and I didn't really film much because I just had to get some shampoo and conditioner and body wash, and I got some stuff as well, food wise. But I went with my mum and my nan, and I don't know, I just, just put my phone away. I mean, I did vlog a little piece of me picking up like some nuts and stuff, but then like I just put my phone away and just had like a nice time with them. And now we're home, and then later on we have like a party of my mum's friend's daughter who's turned 1. She's so cute. So yeah, I might go with her. I'm not sure 100% yet because I'm exhausted, and tomorrow I have work. I hope you all had a lovely Monday, and I hope you're all having a lovely Tuesday. Yesterday I said editing my video, so that's done. For Wednesday, just have to prepare it now and schedule it and stuff like that. But yeah, I think I'll do that tomorrow, so it's fine. I'm gonna go now and just go on my bed because that's what I want to do. Hi everyone, it is Wednesday and it's the 23rd of January. Today I had work and I also uploaded my video of my Holy Grails for 2018. I hope you like that. I will leave it linked down below. Basically that's it. I'm gonna eat my pulpetties And yeah, I wish you all a good night. Tomorrow I have work in the morning, so yeah. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi everyone. So I'm about to head to work. I didn't show you my outfit, but I wore makeup, but this is not really this is not really the best lighting for it, but yeah, I'm about to head to work. It's Thursday morning, very early, because I wake up very early when I'm working in the morning. I just wanted to come and say hello. And I'm about to head to work. So yeah, bye guys. I don't know how my hair is, but it actually stayed like this. I don't know. Sometimes I like messing around with my hair. And this is the state of it. I have to go have a shower. So yeah, but it's so cold. I really don't want to, but it's so cold. So yeah, I just came home from work and I got packages. One of them is a Revolution package, which I'm not going to show you what I got because I want to do like a separate like Revolution haul for that. But I also got this one. I got this from Pixi Beauty. Like, they always send the cutest packaging. Oh my god, I'm going to show you what I got because why not? So this is the bag. It came with a bag. I cannot wait to start like using it and all that because I'm going to definitely use it. And then this is like a letter that comes in. It's like Bon Voyage, lovelies. Enjoy a hydrated journey into your dream skin with our rose infused favorites. So these are all, they're like rose infused favorites. And these are all the things we have inside this bag. And this is like the step that we can use. So first we have like the remove makeup. So we have like the makeup wipes, and then we have to cleanse. So it's like the rose cream cleanser. Oh, I never tried that. And then we have the rose tonic. Oh, I never tried the rose tonic. And then we have the hydrate, which is the rose caviar essence, which I've tried. The rose flash bond, which is a really good moisturizer. The rose ceramide cream, and then we have the rose oil blend, and then we have like the makeup fixing mist, and then we have the rose gold mist. Oh my goodness. And these are all the things. Oh my god, there's my name. Look, there's my name, guys. It says Bon Voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosy journey and hope my rose infused favorites will take you on a hydrated journey to your dream skin. Thank you, all your love. Oh my god, sweet. Oh my god, I swear, like Pixi, I swear, is the sweetest brand ever. I mean, like, look at this. And I've been wanting to try out the makeup mixing mist. Oh my goodness. Like, this one, I've been wanting to try this out, and I can't finally try it out. Oh, this is so cute. And they're all wrapped, and I cannot wait to try these out. So thank you so much. So I just want to say thank you so very much, Pixi. I swear, like, seeing my name written down on that card is so sweet. And so, like, you do the gift so personalized, and it just makes me so, like, appreciative, grateful, overwhelmed. Like, I have no words because I swear, thank you so very much. This means a lot to me, and it was such a nice sort of treat after work to find it and all that. So thank you so much, Pixi. All right, so I'm gonna go, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna watch some shows and then I'll go shower because I'm really tired. So yeah, I hope you all have a lovely Thursday, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone. Good morning. Well, good afternoon, because it is Friday and I finished work, so it's a weekend for me. I am so happy. So I'm gonna go home, and I don't know if we're gonna go for a coffee, me and Luke. I don't know, but I know that tonight I'll be going to his and we'll be doing something together. So yeah, but just in case, if I don't speak to you again, if you like my vlog, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I will see you again in my next weekly vlog, because this is weekly vlog number 4 already. So that means I've been doing weekly vlogs already for a month, which is amazing, and I just miss doing this. I honestly do, because I think like this you get to see another side of me, like the real side of, not the real, I don't know, it's just like what I do on an everyday basis, and you get to know me better, I guess, on a different level. Like, I would love watching xoxo's daily vlogs, and this is, I love watching them because I get to see her life sort of, and what she does every day and all that, and I get to know her better. So this is the point of me doing these, and I also love doing these as well because it's like a memory for me, and it's like I can go back and see what I've been doing. I'm gonna go home now. Talk to you guys later, or in my next vlog. Hi guys, so I received a package from the Glam Times, and oh my goodness, I am so like, thank you so much, the Glam Times. They have made my day. They sent over some lashes, and I've already tried one of their pair, which is this one right here. This is the one I have tried, I think, in like a makeup tutorial of mine. I'll link it down below, but I love these, and they kindly sent out another pair of them. So like, this is the difference between one which is worn and one which isn't. I used to apply mascara on mine because that's how I like sort of clumping my real lashes to their fake ones, but they told me that I can simply wear them without mascara, so that's cool. So this is the one. And you can use the code Kezia to get 15% off your order. So yeah, you can get 15% off your order. And then once you buy the one, you will also be able to access other lash styles, which are only available to people who already bought from their website. So it's only available for customers. And these are the 3 styles that there are. So there's this one, which is called Eyelove Lash. And it's so, like, it's a very natural looking false lash. I can't wait to try that one out. And then there's this one, which is Mystique, which is, oh my goodness, it's so nice and fluffy. And I guess it's much fluffier than the one. And then this one, which is called Drama Queen. Like, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try these out. So yeah, be sure to check out my makeup tutorials. I will definitely use these lashes. But yeah, remember that I have a discount code for you guys. It's Kezia. And you can get 15% off the lashes called The One. So yeah, these are them. I really love them. They're really easy to apply and all that. So yeah, thank you so much to the Glam Times for these lovely lashes. And I'm trying to take photos for Insta Story, and she comes along and she just sniffs everything. Yep, she just sniffs. What is that? What is that? Can I take the photo now? Thank you. I also received this package from Teami over here. So thank you so much to Teami Blends. And I got the Teami Relax Tea, and I can't wait to try this out. And what's more special is that they gave me this little cup over here, or bottle, and it has like a strainer inside it, so I can put my tea in here. And I think it's really perfect for work, so I'm definitely going to be using this. And I also have a 25% discount code for you guys. It's Kezzie25. I'll leave everything linked down below, just in case you forget and you want to check it out. But it's everything's linked down in my description box. So thank you so much to Teami Blends as well.